Hi everyone, I'm Dan Erica. You may call me Erica, or my previous trainees called me Miss E. So for today's video, I'll be sharing my journey from working in the BPO or call center industry to now becoming a full-time work from home executive assistant. So it all started back in pandemic. So when pandemic started, we're given the chance to work from home, and I'm very thankful for that experience. It opened my eyes into the possibilities of working from home. So back then, I'm still a supervisor in the last company I worked with prior to becoming an executive assistant. So they provided us the computer, and we continued the same work that I have as a supervisor managing my teams while they're working remotely. And then after pandemic, after the vaccines became available, we were informed that we have to go back on site. So initially it was okay, but when I was given a very odd schedule of 5 p.m. until 2 a.m., that's when I started thinking maybe there are other options out there. And mind you, I'm traveling from Cavite to Alabang back then. So if my shift ends at 2 a.m., it's really not very safe for me to travel to ride the public vehicle because I don't have a car back then. So that's why I decided checking on other options, and that's where I landed my first job as an executive assistant. So even though I didn't have an experience yet, but because I have a background working in the healthcare industry, that's how I got my first client. It's actually through an agency. So she's a CEO of a healthcare facility. And since I have a background in the call center industry working in a healthcare account, that's why I got hired on that particular opening. So for all of my previous colleagues, previous agents, co-TL, co-manager who's interested in, becoming part of this full-time work from home industry, you could really message me or follow all my social media accounts here in Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok for more information on how you could shift career from call center to becoming a VA. Also, I've launched an ebook, The Ultimate Guide to Becoming a Virtual Assistant. So if you'd like more information about it, or if you'd like to check it out, you could leave a comment below or message me. Thank you, and see you in my next video.